People who have normal vision and do not depend on a keyboard are able to quickly browse a website from top to bottom, noticing the major headings of the page and distinguishing the major sections of the page, such as menu, main content, and sidebar. However, people who need to use assistive technology have a significantly different experience navigating the same website, either using a keyboard or a screen reader. A screen reader is a software program that allows blind or visually impaired users to read the text on the computer screen with a speech synthesizer. If a blind person is listening to a page using a screen reader, the web page is read to them in the order that the content appears in the source code. Now let's take a look at how screen reader access the web page.
Link donate. Navigation region. Heading level 2 main navigation region. List of 5 items. Visited link what we do. Link research and reports. Visited link where we work. Link take action. Search button.
Give your links unique and descriptive names. Please click on the tips below to learn more. Tip 1. When including links in your content, use text that properly describes where the link will go. Using "click here" is not considered descriptive and does not make sense out of context. Tip 2. Links should never be empty. They must always contain text or images with alternative text. Alt text is a hidden text that describes an image. An empty link can be very confusing for keyboard and screen reader users. Tip 3. Links that are embedded in the picture are not visible. Provide text to indicate the reference of the link. Tip 3. Links that are embedded in the picture are not visible. Provide text to indicate the reference of the link. people. Give your links unique and descriptive names. I want to talk now about writing accessible content, because it doesn't matter how accessible your website's navigation is. If the content you write isn't also accessible, your website is still inaccessible. The first thing to keep in mind is use the logic to organize the content of your website. Make sure that all content can be accessed. With the keyboard alone in a logical way. Use headings correctly to organize the structure of your content. Try to give concise and meaningful headings to your sections or pages. Screen reader users can use heading structure to navigate content by using headings such as H1 level heading, or H2 level heading. Correctly and strategically, the content of your website will be well organized and easily interpreted by screen readers. Let's see how screen reader works in practice.
Main navigation heading level 2. For every child. Heading level 1. Across 190 countries and territories. Units of defense the rights of children heading level 2. For every child heading level 2. Children uprooted heading level 3 link. $850,000 children displaced by violence in Democratic Republic of the Congo's volatile Kasai region heading level 3 link.
For some users with disabilities, the most important issue to address is the usage of multimedia content. Images, graphics, and videos cannot be read by screen reader, but text descriptions can help visually impaired people to understand the meaning of these multimedia elements. Click on the magnifying glass below to learn more. If an image carries information, use alternative text or caption to define the image. The alternative text is read out in linearized order as a substitute for the image. Keep all text reasonably short while still being adequately descriptive. In cases where an image is purely decorative, always apply empty alt text. An image will be announced by the screen reader as an image, so you don't ever need to address the fact that an image is an image in the alternative text. More information on how to describe the images and graphs is available in UNICEF Web Accessibility Standards. People with hearing impairments will have difficulties accessing audio files, as will many people who speak your language only as a second language. In order to provide better access to these populations, make sure to provide a transcript for the video or the audio. Or, if it is a music video, for example, short description of what the video is about. Transcripts also serve a second, equally valuable purpose. They make the content of your media file searchable on the internet. For some users with disabilities, the most important issue to address is the usage of multimedia content. Images, graphics, and videos cannot be read by screen reader, but text descriptions can help visually impaired people to understand the meaning of these multimedia elements. Click on the magnifying glass below to learn more.